mean when he said the deep state Justice Department? And does this administration believe that the deep state is a real thing, that there is this shadow government out there actively plotting to sabotage him?
Look, the president finds some of those actions very disturbing, and he thinks that we need to make sure if there is an issue that it's looked at. But if there was anything beyond that, I would refer you to the Department of Justice that would look into it.
Thank you.